This is grade 4, module 3, lesson 32, and the objective in this lesson is to interpret and find whole number quotients and remainders to solve one-step division word problems with larger divisors of 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we're going to look at homework problem number 1, and it says solve the following problems. Draw tape diagrams to help you solve. If there is a remainder, shade in a small portion of the tape diagram to represent that portion of the whole. Okay, so number 1 reads, Mineka bought a package of 435 party favors to give to the guests at her birthday party. She calculated that she could give 9 party favors to each guest. How many guests is she expecting? Okay, so we have the tape diagram, and we know the total is 435. Okay, and we know how many are in each group. We know that she's giving 9 party favors to each guest, but we don't know how many groups we have, so that's what our unknown is. The number of groups is unknown. So let's write a target sentence, and that reads, she is expecting blank guests. Okay, so we have 435, and we're going to divide 435 by 9. Okay. And the quotient is 48 with the remainder of 3. So I know that the remaining portion, I can just shade in right here, is going to be 3. And the number of groups that we have is going to be the quotient, so it's 48. So she is expecting 48 guests. Now we can go ahead and check our answer by doing 48 times 9. And we add our remaining 3. So 432 plus 3 is 435, and that checks out. So she's expecting 48 guests, and she does have a remaining 3 party favors. Okay, and we're going to look at number 5, and that reads, Samantha ran 3,003 meters in 7 days. If she ran the same distance each day, how far did Samantha run in 3 days? So in this question, we do know the number of groups, and that's going to be represented by the 7 days here. Okay, and then we know the total distance that she ran, which was 3,003. So let's go ahead and write our target sentence, and that reads, Samantha ran blank meters in 3 days. Okay, so let's write our tape diagram. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have the 7 units to represent the 7 days, and the total is 3,003. Okay, she runs the same distance each day. How far did she run in 3 days? So we're going to have 3,003, and we're going to divide that by 7. And that divides evenly, so we have a quotient of 429. And to check her answer, we can do 429 times 7. Okay, so that checks out, 3,003. So each one of the units was 429, but we want to know how far she ran in 3 days. So that's going to be 429 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27, 6, 7, 8, and it's 1,287 meters in 3 days.